Free dog. Good boy. Yahtzee. Okay. Good girl. Cooper, go to your spot. Yahtzee place. Good dogs. Free dog.
Good boy. Drop, drop, drop. Good boy. Cooper, down. Cooper. Free dog. Good boy, Cooper. Oh, that's a good boy. Drop. Sit. Down. Free dog.
Cooper, come. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Cooper, free dog.
Hi, I'm Jill, and my dog Cooper spent 2 weeks with Kate in her board and train program. Cooper would chase the cats around the house. He would jump on the kitchen counter. He would eat the cat's food. He would jump all over our furniture. He would bark incessantly at neighbors or at the UPS man. He would jump all over guests as they arrived at our house and would come inside. He would be all over them, chew on their arms and their hands. He also couldn't be off leash because he wasn't trusted to come when we called his name. After 2 weeks with Kate, the transformation in Cooper is amazing. He can be outside, off leash. In fact, we haven't put a leash on him on our property since he's been with Kate, and we can trust him to come every time he's called. He does not chase our cats around the house. He is respecting them. I can take him on walks in public, and he is polite and respectful. And most importantly for us, when guests come to the house and my family comes to visit, he is polite, obedient, and we are now enjoying having company at our house again.